Hi guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSC, and we can see that there was a 6.4 earthquake near east coast of Honshu, Japan, and then it was followed by a 7.3 near east coast of Honshu, Japan. We're going to look at these on Google Earth and show you the areas where they occurred. The first one was 60 kilometers deep. And I'm going to get these in here real quick. This is where the first one occurred, which was offland. You can see this is ASO here. And these little triangles are all volcanic. So this is where this occurred. The second one was 49 kilometers deep. This one was a 7.3. And it was closer towards land. So you can see this is ASO here as well. So this one was also upland. And this 7.3 that hit northern Japan, there was a tsunami risk with it. It struck off the coast of Fukushima in northern Japan, and it did trigger a tsunami advisory and plunged more than 2 million homes in the Tokyo area into darkness. There was a tsunami advisory. In this region, it is part of the northern Japan that was devastated by the 9.0 quake and tsunami 11 years ago. That also triggered the nuclear plant meltdown. The Tokyo Electric Power Company, which operates the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant, where the cooling systems failed after the 2011 disaster. So this is within that same area. The prime minister there, and his name is Fumio Kishida, said power was expected to be restored soon after midnight on Wednesday. The quake shook large parts of eastern Japan, including Tokyo, where the building swayed violently. A Tohoku Shinseikan express train partially derailed between Fukushima and Miyagi due to the quake, but nobody on there was injured. And that's the updates that I have for this earthquake that occurred. I just thought I would do a real brief video real quick, let y'all know about this 7.3 earthquake. It was followed by several aftershocks, and we'll show you those. We can see that they had a 5.6 that came after those, a 4.0, a 4.5, a 3.6, a 4.0, 4.2, 4.6, a 4.4, a 3.9, then they had a 3.9, a 4.2, and those were the aftershocks they've reported on EMSC so far for that. Also, if you noted that my screen went dark for a minute, it's because my puppy hit the cord. So hopefully it didn't give y'all a dark spot and just kept on recording. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves. Remember, love each other and love yourselves. Much love.